friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some freebies at Walgreens, $1.67 Irish Spring at the Dollar General. Do I have your attention? And a freebie over at Meijer. It's a new week over at Meijer, and I went and tested some deals this morning. Freebies, cheapies, and cotton candy and magic. If you live in the Midwest, it's going to be a great week. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And hype this video if you have that opportunity to do that. I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, so the first store that we're at is the Dollar General. I know we're mixing this around a little bit, but we are on a time crunch. That's why we're there right off the bat. So I'm just going to explain what I did was these gift cards. It is called With Love. Apologies. It's called Zift Millions of Gifts. You'll find this at the checkout register, and the one that says 20 to 500, well, we have a cash back that when you spend at least $20, you're getting $8 back in your DG cash with a limit of up to one time. You have to load that cash back, punch in your phone number, get a $20 gift card, and you're going to get your 8 back. It took me about 40 minutes before I got it on my account, and it basically made my gift card like I paid $12 after everything was said and done, 40% off, which is unheard of. Now, what I did with my money was I used it a little later on this deal. This is today only, Wednesday, June the 24th. Buy one Irish Spring body wash for $5.35. Get a 3-pack of the bar soap for free. Now, what makes this really interesting is that we have another manufacturer attaching to the Irish Spring, making it really cheap. So in your store, you're going to pick up one body wash and one 3-pack of the bar soap. They are next to each other. If you live in a teeny tiny store, it might be an extra $1 for the liquid body wash. I think it's like, if you live super rural, you know what I'm talking about. It's like $6 or like a little bit more expensive. This is the coupon that you're going to load. It's $2 off of one. It's either the soft soap or the Irish Spring. So make sure you have it loaded. This is also of a one-time use as well. But using it today, I mean, you're going to get the most bang for your buck. Now, I did test this morning because I wanted to see if it would work. And I did it on both mine and my husband's card, so 2 separate transactions. The top is my body wash, and then you can see that free 3-pack of the bar soap. There it is. And my manufacturer coupon melting off. So with tax for me, it was $3.67. And that gift card that I earned earlier, I used it towards this. So I didn't even open up my wallet. Phenomenal deal today only, which is Wednesday, June the 24th. And that gift card, the Gift of Zillions, Bath and Body Works is part of it. Their semi-annual sale is happening. Or if you're doing all those deals on Amazon, Amazon's also part of it. So I would definitely do it if you are interested in that gift card. Okay, the next store that we're at is Walgreens, and this morning I got these boosters on both mine and my husband's card. We have 10 back when you spend 20 on Kenvue. We have the cheap Neutrogena wipes again next week. A 10 back when you spend 25 on Walgreens vitamins, and a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G. So it is going to be a cheap Tide week again. Fingers and toes crossed. And to let you guys know, yeah, I did not get a regular booster, like, you know, spend 25, get back 5, or spend 40 to get back 9, but I got these 3. I'm assuming that the in-store will be spend 30 or 35 to get back 7 on P&G, but we'll have to wait and see how that shakes out on Sunday morning. Now I'm going to show you guys the $40 basket that I did, and this was completely free after everything was said and done. I wish I had a paper booster to go with this, but you know, you don't always get what you want. It's still a freebie, but I would have loved it to be a giant money maker because, you know, I'm greedy. 2 of the Colgate fancier brushes, $6 a pop. We have a $3 off of each. 2 of the Head and Shoulders, and then 3 of the Nivea, and this is just like right around 40 bucks. These are all the coupons that I loaded for this transaction. If you need to see the visuals, the 4 off of 3, $6 here in Colgate's, and then we have a $6 off for the Head and Shoulders, and then the $4 off for the other Head and Shoulders. So let's look at this basket. Two of the Head and Shoulders for $16.48. It's buy one get one 50% off. Two Colgates for $12. Three Nivea men's body washes for $15 for a total of $43.48. Have your digital booster loaded. That's also of a one-time use, that digital booster. So if you already used it this week, it's a one and done. And we have $20 in digitals that I just showed you in the slides previous. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $23.48. Debit, credit, or cash. Do not use Walgreens cash though. Getting back $9 in Walgreens cash for the booster and $15 in register rewards. $5 for Head and Shoulders, $5 for Colgate, and $4 for Nivea. It makes it a complete freebie. Remember not to use Walgreens cash, but you can use manufacturer register rewards to get your out-of-pocket a lot less. If you might have earned register rewards from the week previous on other deals, yes, you can throw it in, and the register rewards for the new promotions shall print for you. With the Head and Shoulders, a lot of us have this spend 50 to earn back $14 with the Fetch Rewards app. Remember, Head and Shoulders is part of this, so if you do this transaction a couple times, it might get you close to getting your $14 back. I think that's ending on Tuesday the 30th, this rebate. So definitely photograph your receipts to the Fetch app because you don't want to miss out on a penny. And just to let you guys know too, this is actually working on any item. If your cashier reads it line for line and they're like, the Angel Soft tissue paper is not part of it, it might be a sorry, it's not going to work moment. But if they'll scan whatever, it does scan. I used it on puffs and other items and it scanned beautifully. One per transaction. Another really noteworthy deal that I would roll my register rewards from transaction 1 to transaction 2 is this Angel Soft. That's 2 for $9, $3 reward when you buy 3. And we have this little friend, which is $1.50 off of 3. Make sure you have it loaded. Very basic deal. Grabbing 3 bags of these bathroom tissues, it's $13.50. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 9 for 3 or $3 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Stock up on paper. I think it's a smart investment right now. Another deal that's absolutely perfect is the $6.99 puffs. It's a 4-counter. We have a $3 digital, making it $3.99. So $1 per box. I know a lot of people are very, very particular about facial tissue, like Kleenex puffs. And this is the only one that will cut it. So if you are like, you like this brand, I would definitely stock up because we don't usually see that $3 coupon. And then the $2.49 for the Arm & Hammer, it's 3 for $7.49. So divided by 3, it's $2.49 per unit. You have the packs, you have the liquid, and you have the scent boosters. So you have a mix of them. I would definitely stock up on these products for that price of $2.49. What a deal. Okay, the next 2 deals, I want to give a very big shout out to a fellow Meijer couponer, Rolling Coupon Moms. She is an Instagrammer, very nice lady. We've been friends for years, and she just found these deals this morning. So I just wanted to give the proper attribution to her. And if you're on Instagram, go and follow her. She's really, really nice too, and newbie friendly. So she answers questions, a very thorough Midwest couponer. A++. Okay, so in the travel section, you're going to grab one of the Gold Bond powder for $1 and then one of the Cetaphil lotion or cream or like a cleanser for $3.25. The Gold Bond's going to be completely free and your Cetaphil will be 25 cents. I went with the lotions, which is the green cap, because I love their lotion. Not too fancy about their cleansers. I'm a bit of a snob that way. And these are the coupons that you're going to load. The $3 for the Cetaphil. I recommend and encourage you guys to open up your shop and scan the item because they might remove the coupon not attaching because I don't think it was supposed to work on these travels, but sometimes we luck into this stuff. And the second item that is the freebie is off the Gold Bond. So load this, and both of these coupons are of a one-time use. So that powder, if you have somebody that uses it, you know that it's not cheap. One item they've actually raised in price quite a bit. So yeah, I'm happy to get those little travel ones for free. To show you guys, I opened up my shop and scanned these items in store, and my dollar digital is zeroing out the Gold Bond powder, and then my Cetaphil lotion, that's what I went with, 25 cents. So definitely open up your shop and scan these items, just so you're on the same page, because you don't want to be overpaying for anything. Now at my store, for whatever reason, the Devil Wears Prada Tresemme hair care. That includes hairspray, texturizing spray, some sort of like lacquer spray. I don't even know what half of this stuff does. It is on clearance for $3.49, and it's been that way for the last month or so. We have a $2 digital that's attaching to the clearance, making it $1.49. Now, this magic is usually, let me look at the receipt, $13.99, $14. So from $14 to $1.49, if you're curious, that is a price point I would pay all day, especially for hairspray. We have this deal as well, right till the 30th of June, 99 cents for a container of strawberries. It is keto friendly. I would definitely stock up if you love strawberries, and these are always really good. Now, this morning we got a 5 off 25 for the P&G products, and I'm looking for items that have the highest value coupons. So, grabbing a 60 or $15.99 Downy beads, a mouth rinse for $8.39, and I'm going to show you the digital coupons that are attaching and working. This right here is your, at the top, that $3 for the mouth rinse, or you can get the toothpaste if you want, and then the 5 off 25 for P&G. And then just to get the basket to math out, I grabbed one of these Dawn dish soaps for $2.99. And then just to show you guys, here it is, $2.99, and then $4.99 for that mouth rinse. Haven't been getting a ton of mouth rinse deals, so that's why I threw it into the mix. And then for those Downy beads, there's a $6 digital that's attaching because it's a newer product. So that's why I threw in that fancy Downy Unstoppable beads. It's called the Boutique Botanical Collection. Try and say that 3 times quickly. And just to show you the overall total for these 3 items, the estimate before tax is $12.97. If you can find a cheaper mouth rinse where that $3 digital is attaching, or the toothpaste, you could possibly get your basket down to $12. But this was the cheapest I could get it to in my store, which was $13 from $25. About 50% off. Not bad. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Get out there and save a whole lot of money. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.